friends, I am Vikas Jha from Vikas Mathematics Solution. Subscribe my channel and share it. Today I have brought a class of mathematics, class 12, linear differential equation. This is the part of differential equation, linear differential equation. Differential equation. The differential equation is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p is in terms of x or constant. Also q is the function of x or constant, and there is I dot f in full form integration factor. Integration factor means power of e integration with respect to x, e का पावर p dx. तो e का पावर p dx का इंटीग्रेशन, ऐसे p dx का इंटीग्रेशन निकालना है. इंटीग्रेशन निकालने के बाद यहाँ पर रिक्वायर्ड डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऐसे लिखना है, y इंटू इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर इक्वल टू q इंटू इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर, इसका इंटीग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. ये एक ठो फॉर्म हुआ dy बाई डी एक्स प्लस पी वाई इक्वल टू की. एंड सेकेंड फॉर्म हुआ आपको dx बाई डी वाई. ऐसा भी हो सकता है dx बाई डी वाई प्लस पी एक्स, यहाँ पर होगा इक्वल टू क्यू, वेयर p इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ y एंड q इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ y और कांस्टेंट. तो इसमें क्या होगा, रिक्वायर्ड डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इस टाइप में. इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर इसमें ऐसा होगा e का पावर p dy, ये विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y होगा, बिकॉज y in terms of y is multiplied with x, p is in terms of y, therefore e का पावर p dy. ऐसा इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर इसका होगा. एंड रिक्वायर्ड डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इसमें होगा x इंटू इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर इक्वल टू q इंटू इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर to y. Now such problems, both problems I am going to give. First problem of this exercise, dy by dx plus 2y equal to sin x. Here p is equal to 2, q is equal to sin x, therefore integration factor equal to e power p dx. E power p means here 2, integration of 2 dx means e ka power 2x. Now required differential equation is y into integration factor equal to q into integration factor with respect to x. Y into integration factor, that is 2x, y into e power 2x, and there is q means sin x into e ka power 2x dx. We have to integrate this. For this integration, separately let I is equal to e power 2x into sin x dx. That is integration by parts. First part is this trigonometry, last part is this sin x as it is, integration of e power 2x, that is e power 2x by 2 minus e power 2x by 2, derivative of sin x. First is this, derivative of sin x is cos x, and e power 2x by 2 sin x minus, again integration by parts. What will be 1 by 2 is ought e power 2x by 2 integration of this, and cos x is as it is, minus derivative of cos x is minus sin x, that's why this is plus sin x into e ka power 2x by 2 dx, and this is e power 2x by 2 sin x minus e power 2x by 4 cos x minus 1 by 4, that is multiply with 1 by 2, 1 by 4 e power 2x into sin x dx. This means e power 2x by 2 sin x minus e power 2x by 4 cos x, and this is problem sin x into e power 2x by dx, so this is minus 1 by 4 I, and this is transfer to left, I plus I by 4, and there is common e power 2x by 4. If you take common 4 here, there is only 2, so we have to write here 2 sin x minus cos x, and that is plus c, and this is 5I by 4 equal to e power 2x by 4, this is 2 sin x minus cos x plus c, and I is equal to how much? These 4 are cancelled, e power 2x by 5 and 2 sin x minus cos x, and this 5 is also c by 5, but this c by 5 is constant, again we can write c only, for this is constant. And now final answer is what? Y is equal to e power 2x, this 2x is transferred here, then e power 2x is cancelled, 1 by 5 2 sin x minus cos x plus c by e power 2x, so c into e power minus 2x, this is our answer. This is answered. Now question number 11, this is type of dx by dy. First we write dx by dy, y dx, this equal to, we can write here y square minus x dy, and this is dx by dy equal to y square minus x by y, and if you decompose this, that will be y minus x by y. In this dx by dy plus x into 1 by y, like this we can write, this is y, here p is equal to 1 by y and q is equal to y, this is in terms of y, so integration factor, there will be e power p dy in terms of y, that's why variable is y here, p means here 1 by y dy, and this is integration of 1 by y is log y, so e power log y is equal to y, hence integration factor is y, integration factor is y. Now required differential equation, x into integration factor equal to q into integration factor with respect to y, this is dy, x into integration factor, that is y, q means here y only, q means here y, so y into 1 by y, y into y, y is integration factor, and q is also y, x into y equal to y square dy, and this is y q by 3 plus c, so x is equal to y square by 3 by c by y, x is equal to y square by 3 plus c into y power minus 1 also we can write, hence this is differential equation.